Hi guys, we will be unboxing the Mi power plug. Okay, so this is from GearBest. We will open this. Okay, here. Here we go. So this is also a Mi, a Xiaomi brand. Okay, here. So they have the 3 slots for USB charging, fast charging actually, because this is 2 amperes each. It's 2000 milliamperes. We will use it straight on the cable. Okay. By the way, it came with this, but I think this will not be used because here it is, the plug is like this, and this is not the appropriate adapter for this. So why is it your best? It's okay. So this is the package. We will still buy the switch on and off. We will buy the adapter for this. Okay, that's it.